Okay, look what my daughter just made me for breakfast. We're on our way to church, and this is breakfast before church. Avocado toast with the cherry tomatoes. Don't that look delicious? Give you a closer look. Look at that. Ooh, looks so delicious. I'm at church. Me and my daughter getting us some barbecue. Look at that.
You want a glaze on the ribs to make them sweeter?
Yes.
What else can I get for you now?
The prime brisket.
Sir, you want it lean or you want it a little bit fatty?
Fatty.
You up next on it?
Sorry?
Yeah, a little bit fatty.
Fatty or slim.
I don't know. What I'm eating, you guys. And ribs.
Next.
Texas, how you say it?
Twinkie.
Texas Twinkie. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig in that.
I have a pound of sausage.
Ooh, look what I'm eating. I don't even know if it's recording. Oh, okay, here we go. This is called the Texas Twinkie. It's a jalapeno pepper with the wrapped around bacon and what else? Cheese in it or something? Oh, brisket is in it. And then it's a jalapeno pepper or something. We'll see in a minute when we bite into it. And got some okra, fried okra, and some coleslaw. Okay. I'm so full.